If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up traders, this is Vee Trades and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So this is a crowd favorite stock, so might as well look at it because I haven't seen the chart in quite a long time. So what is NIO doing? Well, it looks like it's kind of doing the same thing as a lot of other Chinese stocks such as Baba or Baidu or Tencent, where we're just kind of inside of a bigger range pattern. So if I show you guys the range, you can see it looks like there's some support at the 1350 level and definitely some resistance at that $24 level. Let's go and make this yellow. So it looks like we got rejected at that $24 level back in late June, and ever since then we kind of been working slowly downward. Now it looks like price is picking up the pace and probably we will see quicker lower prices quicker than before. So looks like there was a range right here, a very small one. Show you guys that right now. So this looks like a tiny little range. Prices did have a failed breakout on the bottom side, and then we saw a rally up, but we could not even get a breakout on the opposite side, which is a bearish imbalance. This tells me that there's more aggressive sellers that want to bring the price down than aggressive buyers that want to bring the prices up. So it looks like we're going to be seeing lower prices. I see that we had a strong leg down and then a two-legged correction, so we could be in the formation of the second leg, and the target is right around the 1610 level. This also coincides with a range breakout. If I go and show you guys that right now, a range breakout can bring the prices down to the 1628 or the 1620 level. You can see it's very close. It's pretty much very close to the measure move target I had from this large impulse down. So since we're in a range and we got off the top side, there's also a possibility to go back down to the lower side, which is right around the 1350 level. So there's a couple of indicators on this chart telling me that prices do want to continue lower. You can see that we're back below the EMA, which is not a good sign, and I'll be expecting lower prices. Let me zoom out on the chart. Overall, the bias is down until we see something completely change. The bias is still down, so any sideways action or pullback is probably going to be met with more selling in the future. So I'm expecting lower price targets. I'm not really looking for longs or anything to the upside right now. I still think there's room to continue lower. Once we get these lower price levels, we could see another bounce up back up to the highs of the range, but that's a maybe. We'll have to wait and see. But as of right now, it does look like prices want to drop down to that low 16s and maybe even the mid 13s, depending on how bearish this looks. But that's all I have for the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for NIO. You can see that we've been going down since January of 2021 when it made the high around the $66 level. Since then, we have been working lower. So if I connect the swings, you'll see a channel form, and this looks like the downtrend channel that prices are respecting and playing. So since we came up short on this side of the channel, we could see a breakout on this side, but instead of getting the breakout right away, we're probably going to do a sideways formation into the resistance side of this channel. Show you guys that right now. So it looks like we're kind of going sideways into the resistance side of the channel where prices are trying to come to. So show you guys that right now. Let's go make this green. So you can see that obviously we're inside of a downward channel, and right now there's a range pattern in play. So we could right now it looks like prices do want to drop, but once we reach that 1384 level, 1350 level, we could see another bounce up, and that will give us the breakout of this channel. And then from there, expecting a retest of the lows or even a new one before prices obviously rally out of here or go sideways again. So since we're still inside this bigger pattern, that tells me the downtrend is still in play. To simplify, that means basically we're still going to continue lower until I see this pattern complete, which right now pattern is not complete. We need to see prices outside of this yellow channel and then a new low before I expect a reversal. As of right now, I can't be expecting reversal until I see signs of weakness in this downtrend. You can also see that prices are having a hard time staying above the EMA. If we do get above it, it's short-lived, and we start seeing lower prices right after. So still back below the EMA. This is still a downtrend. We're kind of just working sideways. Looks like sellers, aggressive sellers, is taking a pause in the market. So I'm expecting the low 16s and then the 1350 level. From there, we could just drop down all the way to the $10 level. There is a breakout and a gap that has not been filled on this chart, so maybe that's where they want to bring the prices back down to. You can see there's a little gap right here between the candlesticks that prices want to fill, very similar to how there's a gap right here and prices came back over here to fill it. So we could do the same type of pattern right over here. So expecting lower prices. NIO looks like there's definitely more downside left. I don't think Chinese stocks are going to be bottoming anytime soon. So thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.